Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of marketing. Myself, CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Today, we will continue our previous unit of market segmentation, target marketing, and positioning. We had covered one aspect of this unit that is associated with the market segmentation. We had learned what market segmentation is, what are the various approaches or bases on which the market segmentation is created. We had learned also how the companies they create the market segment. We had also learned the practical example of a very large and joint company, Mitsubishi. We had also understood what are the important requirements for creation of an effective market segmentation. So today we will understand about the second aspect of the same unit that is associated with the target marketing. Now see, as I earlier told you, that all the three variables, they are independent as well as they are interlinked and dependent also on each other. With reference to the market segmentation, we had learned that it is the division of the market depending upon homogeneous conditions of group of the buyers. Now, after the market segment is created, the next step starts with the target marketing, and when target market is completed, we move for the positioning of the goods or services towards the target marketing. Now we start with the definition or meaning of the word target marketing. What target marketing is? Target marketing here means consists of a set of buyers who share common needs or characteristics that the company decides to serve. Basically, what target marketing is? It is the serving of an individual market segment which is associated and comprised of the group of buyers who are having the common needs or the characteristics. Again, what target marketing is? Target marketing here means once we had created the segment, we have to serve that segment very effectively. And what that is consists of a set of buyers who share common needs or characteristics that the company decided to serve. Company had created the independent segments depending upon the homogeneous condition. Now it wants to serve to that particular segment, and that serving to that particular segment known as the target marketing. Now, how that target marketing is to be done, how it is to be comprised? Selecting target market segments. We had created the market segment. Now we have to serve them depending upon their nature. It can be undifferentiated or mass marketing, same product to all consumers. Understand here, mass marketing or undifferentiated marketing here means the company is going to serve the same product to all consumers. Basically, with reference to the FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, companies follow such type of the target market segment where they sell or they market same product to all the consumers. Then second base may be differentiated segmented market, different products to one or more segments. Here understand the difference between the first and the second marketing. Here undifferentiated or mass marketing, same product to all the consumer. Differentiated or separated segmented marketing here means different products to one or more segments depending upon the requirement of the various segment. Here the target market segments will be different depending upon the requirement of the goods or services. So different products to be served to the one or more segments depending upon their feature or nature. Then concentrated or niche marketing. Niche marketing or concentrated marketing here means that the organization or the marketer is going to serve only to the small portion or only to the small segment whose requirements are same only for a particular period or only for a particular time. Then micro marketing. From the concentrated or niche marketing, another part is micro, very small local or the individual market segments. Undifferentiated To the public at large, mass marketing. Differentiated, different product to one or more segments. Concentrated or the niche, small marketing, a very limited area. Micro marketing, sub-small, even to the very small area. Let's understand with the help of some of the examples of the corporate sector with reference to the market segmentation. See here what the Coca-Cola is doing. Coca-Cola is having the undifferentiated or the mass marketing, which means the same product is served to the all segments without making any type of the difference to the different segments and their requirements. It is an example of undifferentiated or the mass marketing. Let's come to the second area, that is the differentiated or segment marketing. Here different goods or services, they being served to the different segments depending upon their nature or depending upon their requirement. So it is known as the differentiated or segmented marketing. Then concentrated or the niche marketing here means that it caters to the needs of the youth, male or female, active lifestyle, middle and high income, depending upon the various classes. A special or small portion is to be created known as the concentrated or the target marketing, niche marketing, where only a small portion or small segment is to be served depending upon their peculiar characteristics. Then very important thing is there that how these to be created, right segment to be targeted, since standout brands means very popular or already selling brand in the market, to the all new markets. Hot products designs are masculine, sporting and youthful, and they are required by the young and diverse audience. Mitsubishi creates this type of the market with reference to the standout brands which are already popular or standing in the market. Then there should be the all new markets. Then the hot products means those products which are selling very fast in the market. Designs are separate, sporting and youthful. They are very popular among the young generation, young and diverse audience. Depending upon the requirement of the young generation and their different audience, the product is to be supplied to them. So this way, the Mitsubishi create the target marketing. Likewise, some other company like the micro marketing, local and individual Hawaiians relating to these different type of the chappals. They are to be customized, slippers, retailing and customized markets is there. Tailoring brand products and market programs to suit taste of individuals. So depending upon their requirement, these are to be created. I would continue in my next video relating to the remaining part of this important unit or topic.